All right, out for a walk today, and the topic today is Sigilint. I registered a domain, have a bad habit of doing that, and put up a landing page. But what I'm working on is I'm working on a low latency message bus and controls for operational security for things like oil refineries, pipelines, offshore rigs, ports, and other things. We start with the message layer using data distribution service, DDS. We build the messaging infrastructure for sensors, cameras, drones, vehicles, people, SCADA controls, and so on. We put those all on this low latency message bus over UDP on a wireless network. Now, there's a couple of limitations. We need a good network. It needs to be encrypted, it needs to be fast, it needs to avoid jitter and interference. I am not a wireless networking expert. Need someone in that area. Next step, SCADA controls and sensors, Arduinos, Raspberry Pis, and so on. Anybody want to play with drones and robots? Building active sensors, monitoring systems, and incorporating those in? Let me know. You like to drive RC cars, fly drones, and build robots? This is for you. Next step, low-level message bus using data distribution service. This is where I'm concentrating, but all these other areas, the networking and the user interface, are where I need more help. So I'm investigating Qt, or Qt as some call it, for building a native UI, dashboard, and control center. That is so that we can get our real-time updates and pass off to our AI agents and things like that to make decisions and handle controls on factory systems, pipeline flow, and stuff like that. And you get a layered map of your refinery, of your rig, of your ship, of your port, of your resort, whatever it is. And that is where the UI comes in. It's not a boxes and buttons type of application. So I'm learning Qt, QML, PySide, and C++, and I'd love to get together with someone whose passion is really doing the UI aspect of that, not your native web apps, or not your generic web apps or native windowing tools. So if you are interested in low latency, low level development, love it. If you are interested in building custom user interfaces and tired of boring web apps, let's talk. And if you like wireless networking and improving quality of service, yeah, you're my man. And lastly, if you like gadgets, if you like industrial systems, if you like operational security, or if you like building intelligent decision systems, those are the areas we're focusing on. Sigil intelligence, strategic intelligence. We're aiming for 2027 to be at some conferences and to turn the conference floor into a factory floor with all our sensors and statuses. Anyway, that's what I'm working on today, or that's what I'm talking about today. That's what I'm working on. Cheers.